Induced glycolysis, a process where cells increase glucose uptake and its breakdown for energy, often under stress conditions or in certain disease states, has been linked to various health issues, including poor health outcomes and psychosis. Number 1. Poor health outcomes. Cancer. Cancer cells often exhibit high rates of glycolysis even in the presence of oxygen, a phenomenon known as the Warburg effect. This metabolic reprogramming supports rapid cell growth and survival, contributing to tumor progression and poor prognosis. Diabetes and obesity. Dysregulated glycolysis is associated with insulin resistance, hyperglycemia, and increased fat deposition, leading to conditions like type 2 diabetes and obesity. These conditions further contribute to cardiovascular diseases and other metabolic disorders. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation, often seen in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, can induce glycolysis in immune cells, which fuels their activity and perpetuates inflammatory cycles, leading to tissue damage and disease progression. Psychosis. Schizophrenia. Abnormal glucose metabolism, including altered glycolysis, has been observed in patients with schizophrenia. Studies suggest that increased glycolysis in the brain may be linked to oxidative stress and mitochondrial dysfunction, contributing to the pathophysiology of psychosis. Bipolar disorder. Similar metabolic abnormalities, including altered glycolytic activity, have been reported in bipolar disorder, particularly during manic episodes. This dysregulation may affect neurotransmitter systems, leading to mood disturbances and psychotic symptoms. 3. Mechanisms linking glycolysis to psychosis. Oxidative stress. Enhanced glycolysis can increase the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, leading to oxidative stress, which is implicated in neuronal damage and the development of psychotic symptoms. Neuroinflammation. Increased glycolysis in microglia, immune cells in the brain, can drive neuroinflammation, a process thought to be involved in the pathogenesis of psychosis. Altered neurotransmitter levels. Changes in glycolysis can affect the synthesis and release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and glutamate, which are critical in mood regulation and the development of psychotic symptoms. Understanding the role of induced glycolysis in these conditions could lead to novel therapeutic approaches targeting metabolic pathways to improve health outcomes and manage psychosis.